Hi, in this video we will see how we can write an existing file. Here we will use append mode. So let's get started. So before going to the main program, let me discuss one thing. We are using the Visual Studio Code and we have already a file. The file name is mytext.txt file, and there is online like new line. Suppose some text is there. So our goal is to add some text on top of this file, but we cannot delete the existing content. Okay, we will add new content, we will not delete any old content. Okay, so here is the folder, few steps, and inside it I'm going to create one file. The file name is like append file underscore file, and this is a Python script, so the extension should be .py, and then we can start building our own script here to add contents of this existing file. So before reading or writing, what we have to do, we have to call through open method. So we are typing open, and then inside this open method we have to call the file name, or we have to mention the file name, which is mandatory. Suppose the file name is here is mytext.txt, so I have to type here mytext.txt, and after that we have to assign the mode. If we don't assign the mode, then it will go to read mode, but our goal is to write something, that means to add with an existing file. So the mode should be append mode, and the append mode we type a for append instead of read or write. So here we are actually processing on text files, so we want to mention this thing also 80, and then after that we can also add the optional argument encoding, but you can ignore if you wish. But this is a good practice if you add the encoding thing. I'm using UTF then dash 8 encoding. Okay, so this thing we can assign in a file variable. F variable, this is a variable, and this is the file object, and this is the thing it is doing. It is creating and it is opening the file in append mode. Now to write something, we have to write some method. There is write line method, so we are using write, not write line. There is no write line in Python, so we have to use write. And if we write something here, then like some text, if we want to type some text, we can do in this way. And then after that, once we write this thing, we need to close the file. We can close the file by using the file f dot close method. Okay, which is we always have to add at the end of the file after processing. Okay, now what we did, we open the file. The file name is mytext.txt, and we are opening append mode, and this is the encoding. So this is completely optional, and also you can ignore this part also. Mode equal, instead of this you can simply type 80 also. And then the write method, we are doing this. After that we are closing the file. So here this line is actually going to write something on that file. So let's run the script by right click and then run Python in the terminal. But in the terminal we will not get anything, but I just try to show you that there is no error. Okay, now let's open the file and check whether it is able to write there or not. So if we open the file, we are seeing that it started writing here, from here, right after the text. Okay, in this way we can write. Now if you want to write multiple lines of text, what we can do, we can use the write line things, right? So I'm going to remove this thing because we don't want to do this thing. So suppose we want to use write lines, and inside it we can define all the lines. Suppose line on, then we can use /n, then we can use line 2, and then comma another line, just in case any line. This is line 3. Okay, now let's run the script and let's check. So I'm going to click this green arrow, and it runs the file, and there is no error, so that means it executed successfully. Now let's open the file, text file. How do you see? So here what it did, it started writing all the things, but in this case it starts at the end, because previously we finished this but we didn't go to the next line. Okay, that's why it starts from this point and it goes continuously, and then after that, after writing each line, it is creating new line, and it is going in this way. Here we used right line switch. Actually, in the right lines we passed on list, and inside the list we actually pass multiple lines, and it is writing each line at a time. So in this way you can write on top of the existing file. The content of the file will not change, but it will start writing on top of it. Now let's run one more time. Let's check whether it is really working or not. So I'm going to run the script again, and it is running fine. There is no error. And now let's check the file, and we see that it is created the 3 lines based on the after the existing content. Okay, so hopefully by watching this video you have clear idea how to use append mode and to open the file and write on top of the existing file. Hopefully by watching this video you are pretty much clear to write some text on your existing file. In the next upcoming video I will discuss how we can iterate the files. We know right now, we know how to read, write and append those things, and in the next step we will actually iterate the file. How we can do in details we'll discuss. And thank you for watching the video. Hopefully it will be helpful for you, and if you really enjoy the video then hit the like button, and also if you don't like then hit the dislike button, and also put your comment. And if you are new to our channel, I will request you to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.